Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to convert PowerPoint file into video. Okay, let's jump into the point. Open your PowerPoint that you want to convert it into video. In this video I have a PowerPoint file that I want to change to video. Click on file menu and choose export. Then choose create a video. You can choose the quality of your video. Here I will choose computer and HD displays. Set second span on each slide on your video. I change it to 1 second. And create video if you finish. Then choose place for your video and click OK. Wait until the process completed. And now you have a video from your PowerPoint file.